It's on my lap, so you're not moving.
I got my old Navy pants on. Tell me these jeans aren't hot for 20 bucks.
Alright, well I'm hard, so yeah, they're clearly hot. Fine,
Uh-oh, he really is.
Oh, wait, maybe I'm not.
I think that's cool that I can get behind an old lady like me.
Old lady.
50 years old, 20 years old. You're 25. 20 years old. I'm actually 48. I'm not 50 yet. 48 years old. I think you're handsome. Well, this is the best train ride I've had in a long time. Sorry, I'm sorry, girls. You know what? I'm
you're
single.
okay.
I do whatever I want. I apologize. I don't mean to touch you either. I apologize.
No, you're fine.
But you know what? Merry, you know what I say? Merry fucking Christmas, okay? No more happy holiday shit. I'm saying Merry Christmas, okay?
The Jewish.
And I'm sorry, I don't want Muslims in the country, and I believe in Muslims.
Whoa.
I believe in Muslims that are here today. I believe in it here today. Because you know what? Can I tell you something? I have been in, you know, how many people that you can see right here today, look at me. I have been in the Blue Mosque. I have been in Hagia Sophia in Turkey. I have studied Muslimism, and I have pictures of me.
Wait, you said you studied Muslimism?
But I have studied Muslim religion. I know I said a weird thing. But I have. I'm not lying to you. I have been to the great Blue Mosque in Turkey. I have pictures of me praying on a prayer mat thing. I've done it, okay? But that doesn't make me a bad person. It makes me a bad person. But I did it because you know what? And I wrapped my head up and I did everything I was supposed to do. Just like I did when I sold green energy to the Hasidic Jews. I put my long shirt on and my long thing on. I did what they wanted to be respectful. Yeah, you gotta respect, man. And I have nothing against Muslim people. But if you're gonna like shoot me, yeah, but not the people I saw when I was in Turkey. In Turkey, and when I went to Turkey, I drove a ferry boat from China side to the Asian side of Turkey through the Black Sea to the Turkey side. Yeah, and you know what happened? The captain made us sit up and they said, "Excuse me, Madame, the captain wants to go fucking ferry over the freaking Black Sea to the Bosphorus," and I did it. Oh my God. This is the best train ride I've had.
Best train ride I had.
Where are all your little friends?
I lost
Dude, I spilled my... Uh-oh, my mother's Coke is gonna kill me. My mother's Coke. I gotta get this up. I can't believe I did that to the floor. My apologies. I was really bad. Oh, be careful, don't slip, dude.
Oh, thank you so much. I almost slipped.
Hey, wait, did you get something on your shirt? Let me see something.
Don't
Right
fall
here. Is
for
there
that,
something
bro.
right there?